Good morning, I'm Dr. Marina Rotert from Aqua Marine Medical Center and Skin Clinic in Redland Bay. It's a weekend, but I'm in the clinic, as probably most of us doctors are doing constantly some study or some training to get updated on the new medication, on the new guidelines or protocols, or learn something more to be able to deliver the best service to our community and to our patients. As you know, some of the days and hours I'm doing only the general matters. Some days we allocate and dedicate for skin cancer check and skin cancer surgery, and there are some specific days I'm doing only cosmetic services or services that can address any dermatological conditions, including acne, post-acne scarring, rosacea, any vascular lesions or redness, spider veins, benign moles, skin tags, warts, anything that can be removed by the laser machine, chemical peels, and all sort of other services. So today I just want to have a little chat why it is important to look after your own skin, and how important it actually affects how it affects our happiness. We know that nowadays we say that anti-wrinkle injections or any cosmetic procedures for rejuvenation help sometimes more than any antidepressant. Yeah, when we wake up and we look at the mirror and we like the way we look, we feel better with ourselves. So I'm quite overdue for my cosmetic services, and with my crazy and busy lifestyle, I really need to find time and go back to my cosmetic physician to do something for my face. So when you come to me and you want to, you want me to do something for your skin or for your aging process, that's usually what happens. I make sure that you have a mirror in front of your face. Yes. Then you can see exactly what's happening and what exactly annoys you and bothers you. It is important to take the patient's concern quite seriously and create the holistic management plan. I always tell all my patients that when we want to make the best out of you, yeah, we don't want to change your face, we don't want to make another person from you. We want everything to work in a balance and harmony, exactly the way how you were born and created, but just to help you to look fresh and rejuvenated. So it is a commitment. It is at least a good 6-9 months of work together with your doctor, but also it's your effort and your teamwork, what you are doing at home as well. So I always give some education and advice on the skincare lifestyle, because obviously what we eat and what we drink and how much we drink, or if we smoke or what else we do in our life, definitely it affects our health and our skin. Yeah, I always say that skin is a reflection and the mirror of what's happening inside of our body. Now, apart from obviously educating on the skin care, I always try to tailor the management for you, what can be done for you, and work obviously with your concern, with services that I can realistically deliver, and with your budget as well, because it is important to understand what you can afford, and what the time frame also you allocate for any sort of dermatological or cosmetic services that you want to be done. So winter, it's the great time now for the chemical peels, and this is where all your sunspots, your solar tigers, all these pigmented spots can be actually addressed with the chemical peels and the laser. So we have an amazing Harmony XL Pro machine that can address any Fitzpatrick type of skin. So not only the fair skin, but also quite tan and dark skin, which is not always easy to treat due to some potential complications and adverse reactions. So any sunspots, any pigmentation on your face can be treated, and I usually have a good chat with you, make sure that you understand what exactly can be done, and we create the plan for you. Any benign spots, any moles, any skin tags or warts, anything that obviously annoys you also can be removed easily with the laser, without scarring. But it also obviously important to check the spots and moles with the doctor who is specializing in skin cancer to make sure that the laser technician or dermal therapist or beauty therapist doesn't treat something that actually potentially dangerous to be treated. After treatment of any pigmented spot by the laser or chemical peel, it's going to be resurfaced obviously, and it will partially will disappear. But if it's already melanoma lentigo, if any melanoma cells are there, they will continue developing underneath the skin, and in a few years it might end up with metastasis. So, and it could be just this spot that was treated without doctor's consultation. So make sure that you actually check that, or your dermal therapist or laser technician who is doing that for you, or nurse who is doing that for you, she actually refers you or advises to go and check your spot. So another obviously a common problem that we face here is the acne and post-acne scarring. And it's quite common, oily congested skin that can be actually treated, not just with the script that you usually get from any general practitioner, but holistically applying again chemical peels, photodynamic therapy, microdermabrasion and the laser treatment. So this is the problems that we are treating here quite often. Rosacea, vascular lesions, and any redness and inflammatory process of your skin also can be treated with the photodynamic therapy and the laser that we have here on the ground. We know that aging is also all about volume loss. We all age quite the same way due to the gravity and volume loss. Everything goes down. Yeah, we start look quite droopy and heavy in the bottom of our face or in the lower face area. And with the dermal fillers and the anti-wrinkle injections or botulinum injection, obviously that can be improved, as long as again your injector understands why they're injecting that, how much they inject, which areas they treat, because I face that there is no much inadequate training is going on in Australia, and people can inject just after a couple of days of training, which is not safe. And what happens, people are getting quite a lot of huge doses of botulinum, then they develop massive resistance to the product, and therefore then we end up with the situations that anti-wrinkle injections don't work anymore. And then who is blamed? Obviously the injector. Also, it is important when you trust your face for the injector to work with the dermal fillers that obviously the face is assessed, yes? Because if the injector understands why you're having the issue with the nasolabial folds or with the marionettes, why your smile looks sad, why you have a double chin, or why you have the issues with all this aging process, then the right areas will be treated with the right amount of dermal fillers. So this is just a brief sort of chat, which probably took some time. Yes, I can talk a lot, I know. But if you think that Aqua Marine Medical Center and Skin Clinic can help you with some of the issues you have, either it's a general matters, or it's a skin check or skin cancer surgery or any surgery, or some rejuvenation or dermatological services that we can deliver, you are welcome to book an appointment and call our friendly receptionist and see what we can do for you. You have an amazing weekend, and I'll continue doing my study. Bye for now.